Hi, and this is Learn British English with me, Frank. To start with, we're going to look at some greetings, some hellos. For example, hello. That's an easy one, isn't it? Hello. Hello. You say hello and then the name. Hello, Manuel. Hello, Maria. Or you can say hello, my friend. Hello, my friend. You can say hi. Hi, Jim. Hi, Mike. You could just say, hi there, or hello there. It's just another way of saying hi or hello. You can also say good morning, good morning, good morning. Or you can say good afternoon, or good evening. So you say good morning from when you wake up until lunchtime, 12 o'clock. And then good afternoon would be from 12 o'clock until 6 o'clock. From 6 o'clock until you go to bed, that will be good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. No, good night is a goodbye. Let's see some other goodbyes. Goodbye is the obvious one. Goodbye. Goodbye, friend. You could just say bye. Bye. Boy. You can say see you. See you. And actually, some people say see you when they write it down. That's a good way to remember it. Another way of saying goodbye is see you later. See you later. See you later. Or see you tomorrow. Or maybe see you next week. If you're having English lessons once a week, you might say goodbye. See you next week. You can also say take care as a goodbye. You can also say good night. Do you remember? To say hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, but to say goodbye, good night. So these are some ways of saying goodbye. Hello, hi, good morning, and goodbye. Bye, take care, see you, or good night are some ways of saying goodbye. Now at this point, it will be good to practice the alphabet, the ABC. You need to know how to spell, for example, my name is Jim. How do you spell that? J I M. J I M. This is a phone. How do you spell phone? P H O N E. So it is important to know how to spell. So let's quickly go through the alphabet. Let's do it twice. The first time I will say it. The second time I will say, leave a space and you repeat. Okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. In Britain we say Z. In other countries they say Z. But British English, Z. So let's try again. I'll say the letter and you repeat. A, B, C. I can't hear you. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. If you want to practice, rewind and listen again. And I recommend you do this a few times to get the sound of the letters in your mind. So let's spell some regular words. Okay, so how do you spell apple? How do you spell apple? A P P L E. Did you get that? How do you spell apple? A P P L E. How do you spell banana? Banana. B A N A N A. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. One more. How do you spell camera? How do you spell camera? C-A-M-E-R-A. And we'll continue to practice during the lessons so that you can keep learning or reinforcing your memory. This is all for today's lesson. In the next lesson, we'll practice the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll practice the numbers and we'll practice telling the time. So come back for the next video. Numbers and telling the time. What time is it? That's all for now. Come back soon to learn some more British English with me, Frank. Bye. Letters. E, F, I. How do you spell?
Ha 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 ha!